Salmon with avocado sauce is a tasty and nutritious dish. Here is the recipe to prepare it. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, about 150 to 200 grams each, 1 ripe avocado, 1 lemon, juice and grated zest, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, a bunch of fresh cilantro, optional, 1 clove of garlic, optional, 1 fresh chili or chili powder, optional. Preparation: begin with the preparation of the avocado sauce. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh with a spoon. In a blender, add the avocado pulp, juice of half a lemon, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. If you like, you can add some fresh cilantro, a clove of garlic, and a piece of chili to add a spicy touch. Blend until you get a creamy and homogeneous sauce. Taste and adjust salt and pepper if necessary. Set the sauce aside. Check the salmon fillets for any bones. Pat them dry with kitchen paper, then season them with a pinch of salt, pepper, and grated lemon zest. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat and add a drizzle of olive oil. Once hot, place the salmon fillets skin side down. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the skin is crispy. Gently turn the salmon over and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes on the flesh side, or until the desired level of doneness. Serve the salmon fillets topped with a generous spoonful of avocado sauce, and if desired, garnish with additional cilantro leaves. Curiosity: this recipe combines the delicate flavors of salmon with the creamy and nutritious aspect of avocado, resulting in an extremely healthy dish thanks to the omega-3 fatty acids in the salmon and the fibers and monounsaturated fats in the avocado.